Maminisita Mucheru na wa uima wa Mutahi Kagwe kwi umundi nimeyatianie na ndongo ya Azimio One Kenya Alliance Raila Odinga mumbanoni na atongoi kuma kauntini ya Nyeri. Odinga kwa mithenya ina mivituku nigwithitwe aitwa isya mumbano kisioni cha Kiimani kana Mount Kenya kwikunia Maleve nthini wa kwita kibila cha usumbusa kwa nini munene ukite. Joseph Kitheka ena ingewa
Maminisita Mucheru wa ACT na Mutahi Kagwe wa Uiti ni kati wa watongoi amwe alamiatanira ndongoi ya ngwatanio wa chama cha Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance kukomana na ndongoi kumelembetani yu ya Nyeri.
Areas where, for example, you have maybe in Kenya, you have Wiper candidate, you have Odinga candidate, like we had here Kiambu team there yesterday. We've agreed that they will go for a campaign the first 1 month. After that, we'll do a poll and see which of the candidates is stronger than the others. Then we see the one who is weaker, we advise to step down so that we don't share the votes and then lose to our opponent.
Raila nola withi tu haito isi maumbano kauta hilembetani yu kwa mithenya ina yu ni wawetakana ngwatanio hii ya Azimio One Kenya niende na walata unupatonyeka kuikithia niyo samuti walelei kumabalawe musumbe Uhuru Kenyatta nikenda kuendesya serikali.
You need to know that you have got Nyanza, you have got Western, even a big chunk of Rift Valley. You take Nakuru, you take Samburu, you take like Kipia, Narok, Kajiado, West Pokot, Tanzoya, and Turkana. All those are Azimio counties. You go to the coast, it's all Azimio. Okay? Ukambani is Azimio. Already we have a 10-point program. That 10-point program is also already available, but we are finalizing the manifesto this weekend so that it will be published by next week, and you will all get copies of that manifesto. And we will have our expert coming to the ground to sit down with you and take you through it, so that you have a message that you are going to take to the ground as you do your campaigns.
Maine ya jadhini chuma Maminisita Mutahi Kagwe na Mucheru maweta mutatongwe kumelembetani ya Mount Kenya nimeyumeti kumukwata kwoko Raila maiweta melati ila ya mbele yule ni President Uhuru Kenyatta uloto na kumiendesya kwa OU no Raila eweka.
Because you said at Uhuru Park Kibaki tosha, we, at least we from Nyeri, we will also now say Raila tosha. It is fair in logic, it is fair in morality, and it is fair in all manner that you call it is fair in godliness.
You know, in a team, you've got the forwards, and you also have the backs and the goalkeeper, the defenders. So some of us are there to ensure we have free, fair election, making sure systems and everything are working. And obviously we're working closely with Baba to ensure that that is the case. And we've been looking and seeing the information. We are on the right track.
Atongo yangeleme atianita Raila ni pamoja na Governor wa Kisumu Professor Anyang' Nyong'o, Senator wa Nyeri Ephraim Maina kati wa atongoi angi. Joseph Kitheka, Viringi wa Mauvo.